Are you a woman in midlife and you're going through some crazy changes? You might be wondering, how do I get this body back to feeling like itself again? You might be thinking, a supplement, that'll do it. Or a little procedure? Well, I wish it was that simple. But unfortunately, getting marvelous, unleashing your marvelous self in midlife, it's not external. No, no, no. It's an inner game. It comes from the inside. You need to connect with your internal wisdom, harness your vitality, and really birth a new life. It's your time to shine, your time to feel your best. In order to do this, you need to start listening to your body, getting out of your head. Your brain lies to you and tells you all kinds of stories that are simply not true. You need to connect with your body and discover the beauty. You're going to love this, the beauty of you. So I'd love to show you how to do this, but not hard, not plowing through life, doing it effortlessly and enjoying midlife. Feeling inspired, feeling fantastic. It's really easier than you think. So I'd love for you to join me for the Marvelous Midlife Method, the secret prescription to going from stress to happiness in midlife. I'm offering it Tuesday, February 11th from 6:30 to 8:30, and you can watch it two different ways. You can watch it live with me in Livermore, California, or you can watch it via live stream. But if you come and you watch it live, I'm going to have all kinds of goodies for you and yummy, delicious, healthy food. So your choice. But I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I want to help you live your marvelous midlife. So join me, and I look forward to seeing you there.